Welcome, lovers! I don't know what I'm doing, but you probably already knew that. And welcome to Slime Rancher. I wanted to play this back when I very first started, just because I love this game, and the whole point of this channel is for me to do stuff that I enjoy doing, but I had a really shitty computer that I couldn't screen record at the time. So I'm just going to use my regular camera and point it at the screen now. So I'm going to play. My apologies for my incapability to zoom. I'm also going to stream this because one of my friends wants to watch it, so I'm going to see if I can figure that out real quick. I haven't played this in a little while, so I'm just... Let's not do that. Let's make a new one. New game. I don't know. Let's just go with that. Rockman. I like the little rock guys. Okay. I think the only slimes I don't like are the pink ones, just because they are so freaking utterly useless after the first few minutes of playing. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on the planet known as the Far, Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. That's such a fun name. Okay, I know Wast. Is it right click? No, it's... Okay. Alright, let's get these bitches off the farm real quick. Come here, little shit. I think there's more than one of them in here somewhere. Oh, chicken! Oh, and chickies. Wait, were there two of them? What? I hear you. Oh, there you are. Haha, there are more. Okay. I think that's all I needed for now. Just gonna... Wait, no. Okay. Cool. Let's... Oh, freak, there's another one. Come here. Here we go. And fly to your death. Goodbye. Okay. Also, my apologies if you can't hear me that well. I tried to adjust the volume, but I have no idea how well that actually worked. Which button is it? Yeah, it's shift, okay. Oh, there's so freaking many. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, there's not another one. Just gonna collect some friggin' plorts to get started. You little shit. Oh, I ran out of space, that's why. Okay, from Casey. Oh yeah, I forgot you get those. Which way? This way. Wrong way, I guess. I'm looking for the cat things. Or maybe I should get the... maybe I should get the rock ones. Those ones have better plorts, I think. I don't really remember. Also, I really just like this scenery right here. I find it very nice. Like, it doesn't... It has a really calm feel to it, which I know is kind of the point, but, like, they did a really good job. Danger buddies! Oh, shit. Already got hit. Ah! Okay. I'm good. I made it. Come here, buddy. Let's get some information. Yay! The map. Oh yeah, there's an island. Oh, fuck. How do I... Oh, okay. We're good. Let's go home for now. That's not going to go away until I hit M, is it? Okay. There was a box. I saw a box. What the... Oh, that thing. Four. Haha. Before I do that, can I get a garden started? I can. The question is, should I go with fruits or carrots? Wait, where's the... There it is. Veggies. So I'm gonna go with carrots. Boop. Cool. Oh. Ah! Come here, pink boy. And boop boop. Goodbye. Okay, I already did that. Oh shit, I forgot. Where? Oh, it's still in my inventory. Is there a second one in there? Wait, did I pick up another pink slime or did I just forget to drop it? I don't know. I don't think I need you either. Welcome to the death. Is there a plort in here? I don't think there is. Just gonna do that for now. Let's go explore. Oh, right, there's a... I've read that before. I don't care to read it again. Whoa. Oh yeah, phosphorus. I'm gonna pick those up later. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna collect some plorts for now. Ooh, plorty plorts. Haha. 4. Okay. I feel like it should be weird that we just stand around and wait, literally just wait to watch them shit and then collect their shit. Oh, dude, this is one of my favorite things to do. Boom! I don't think there's more tabby stuff over here. I'm kind of surprised I remember the layout of this much of the map, because I have a terrible memory. Spawn from the trees. Okay, crowded. Very crowded. Aw. I like these guys. They're just really cute. Hello, buddy. Chicken. Hmm. Kind of want to throw those out just so I can pick up other stuff. So I don't think I need those for a while. I should definitely go home. The freaking monsters are gonna show up soon. I think one of the first times my fiance ever actually saw me playing this, he just laughed like a solid dozen times because once I actually get a couple of different types of slimes, anytime I see chickens, I just freak out because chickens are so useful. Oh geez, you guys are big already. Let's do this. Don't want to do... I'm going to do these ones. I think I'll just get a tabby and mix it with something else later. Hi, walls. Yes, please. Oh, wait, no, I'm at 233, not 350. I'm smart. That's more expensive. They're gonna jump out. Maybe I could just start a new one. Yeah, no, I gotta get more plorts first. I'm just gonna dump like all my carrots real quick. Oh wait, no. Monsters. Right, monsters. Whoop. I know I have mail, but I don't care to read it. Because I've read it before. Please don't run into me. Ah! Freaking. Okay. Nice. Now maybe I can build the high walls. Oh wait, was that 330? 350. Almost there. Let's get going. Chicken! Give me the chicken. Chickadees. Oh, dude! Oh, I totally forgot what you're supposed to be able to feed that guy. Oh, I also forgot what he does. I just know it's like super duper special. I don't know if he gives you like the muns or if he gives you a special plort. I think that one gives... No, wait, the one that looks like a cat with a little money thing on its head. That's the one that gives you money. So that one gives you like a special plort. I had nothing to feed him with though, so... Oh, shit. Boop. Okay, let's find some fucking chickens up in here. Ow! Motherfucker! You don't gotta be an asshole. Chickadees. Okay. Chicks, I think, are the best to collect because then they grow up and then they mate and then you have more chickens forever. Oh, wow, I collected all that real quick. Come here, little chickie. Can't collect water yet, sadly. Which means I cannot defend myself against those frickin' rainbow fuckers. What are those things called again? They're like blobby versions of like the regular slimes, but they're rainbow colored and nasty. Like they want to just fucking eat your face. Ah! Oh, ah! Chickens! Okay. I don't want you. Chickens? Chickens. No chickens over here. Are there more chickens over here? Ooh, there's a hen. Kind of forgot I could come up here. Oh, I heard it. Chickadee! Oh no, I can't collect it. Oh shit. Oh, fuck. God. Fucking. That thing. That is the thing. The nasty whatever the fuck you call it. Motherfucker. Can I see it from here? Yeah, that thing. What is that thing called? I don't know. Yeah. Let's go to the tabbies. And try not to run into these rock guys. Oh, I just fucking, I swear. Right when I said it. Whoop. Wah. That went like right under me. Okay. Chickadees. Fuck yes. Chickadees. Okay, is there another tabby? Okay, what? There you go. I don't think I need more than 2 of you. Chicken? That's a hen, right? Plorts. I already have some plorts for today. Okay. Time to make a shit deposit. I would love to know the story behind, like, the first person, like, in this whole storyline who discovered that their shits were worth anything. Like, I'm actually curious as to what they do with them. Haha. That's something I want to get at some point. Plorts. Ah! Okay. Dangerous little cuties. Can I build that? No, I cannot. Oh, yeah, right. Shit. Fuck. Okay. I have like a whole... Is it herd of chickens or is it flock of chickens? Is there a term for that? I feel like there should be. I don't remember. I also don't remember how many pieces of food I need to feed that guy over there. Because I know I need to feed him a lot for him to explode, but I don't remember how much it is. I saw a box. I just remembered I saw a box somewhere. And I cannot remember where I saw it. But it was the chicken! Okay. What fucking move? Okay, there we go. Run! Was it here? Maybe. Chickadee! Haha! Ow! Fucker. Okay. That's regular chicken. That's regular chicken. I do not have room for deregulars. This is where the tabby is, right? Yeah. Big guy. And there's that thing, which I unlocked the very first time I played. The very first time I ever played this game, I spent 3 straight days playing it, and oh shit. Run, 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 run. Right, the third day, there it is. Oh, fuck. Okay. I'm guessing that was like a really lucky thing. Okay. What was I saying? Ooh, chicken! Little baby chick. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Didn't mean to give you a concussion there. Oh, right. The first time I played this. I played it for 3 days straight because I had 2 days off and then I got sick, so I didn't get to go to work. And by like halfway through the 3rd day of me playing this, I got to the end credits because I just did so much. This is a fun game. I'm good at like calm farming games. Oh, look, another one. I don't have room to pick it up right now though. I mean, who doesn't love chill-ass farming games? Okay. I'm gonna have so many chickens. Oh, holy shit, that actually is worth a lot, isn't it? Okay, let's go ahead and open up another one. Let's do this one since there's like the minimal amount of chickens inside it already. Okay, yeah, that's fine. There we go. Come here, chick. Now you both can eat. Wait. Oh, yeah, there it is. Let me do this away from you guys in case there's food in it. Oh! I like these things. I don't know if they're useful, but I like them. Can I afford to do high walls on this? Yes. Hell yeah. Should I let you guys roam free or should I make a pen? I feel like I should make a coop. I don't have quite enough for a coop at the moment. Okay, don't kill me while I'm in here, please. Ah. Okay. Bok. Wah. Oh, right. Those ones aren't dangerous. Never mind. Oh, fuck. Okay. I don't know which one I want to drop. I'm gonna just shoot these all over the place. Right, they get trapped in here. Never mind. Not that you guys eat those, like, at all. Because the tabbies like to eat meat. Should I mix the tabbies in the rocks? I feel like I should mix the tabbies in the rocks. That might be a good idea. Whee! Let's... I guess I could leave that in there, technically. Boop. Alright, that's just gonna stay in there until you guys eat it. Hi, bud. Do I have enough now? I do. Alright, come on, guys. Whoa, you just flew right past me, huh? There's already so many of you. Okay. Wow, I really collected a lot of you already, didn't I? Come here. Come here. Come here. Successful chicken gathering. Haha. Okay. Please don't kill. Oh. Ah. This is why I need the frickin' automatic plort collector, because you guys are trying to kill me. Take your frickin' carrot. Bup, bup. The other one can eat that. Oh, shit. There's... Haha. think the only reason I ever keep the pink ones around is because they eat anything, so if I mix them with other things, it doesn't matter what I feed them. Whereas the rest of them are just like very specific dietary needs. You guys have a bunch of... Out of all the things I could have planted, carrots are probably the best because they never stop growing. Ooh, upgrades. I should see if I can get any upgrades. 350 for a water tank, jetpack. So they're all about 350. There's 2 of them that I currently would like to get. So, figure that out. Wait! I have way too many carrots, but I can use them to my advantage by feeding that really giant thing. Can I get... Oh, shit. Ah! Okay. I don't remember how... Oh, shit. Yeah, I already have too many. I think it's like around 50 or something like that. I'm not positive, but like I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around there. Chickies! Come here, you little shits. Okay. How do I get down there again? I think I can just jump. Yep. Look at that water. It looks so jello-y. That helps. That's not grown yet. That's mushrooms. Alright. Poof. I'm gonna collect you guys real quick so you don't eat the things that I pull out. Okay. Frickin' slime key. Have a fun death. Oh shit, there's another one. Oh, another little guy. I like these guys, but I don't like having to wait until I can open the little side thingy to be able to keep them alive. Because, like, as soon as you put them out in the daylight, they just die. Like, just give him a second. He's gonna fucking disappear. He is very cute, though. Are you gonna prove me wrong? Did they change the mechanic of you? Can you live in the day now? Or is this a glitch? I don't know. Oh, yep, you're gonna die anyway. Goodbye! Just jumped right to his death. Wait, is that seaweed? Oh shit! I never noticed that before. That's a nice detail. Chickadee. Chickadee. Chicken. Chickadees. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Okay. Plorts. Might as well. Okay, should I go back home and put stuff away? Or should I go unlock the thingy? I'm gonna go unlock the thingy. Whee! Fucking chickens. What happened? Oh, that's what happened. I don't think I have room for you, sadly. Come here. Ha. That's not a good sound. This is like the easiest place for that to happen too, because they're all just eating each other's shit all the time. Like they pop out in chunks and then they just eat each other's shit. Here's a fun question. Did the guy before me build this bridge, or was this built by somebody else? Because, like, this looks like it would have taken a very long time to make. I also want to know where that used to go. I don't know if there's an answer. Is that a box? I had no idea there was a box there, like, ever. Busted! Chicken! Whoop. Magical! About to find some good dudes up here. Can I get back up here yet? I just realized I'm pretty sure I need the booster to even get back up here, so I'm gonna come back to this later. Because I would rather not get stuck. Run. What? Chicken? I heard a chicken. Oh, up there. Right. I can't get up there yet. It took me forever to realize that this little design is up here. Because the first time I ever noticed it, I was like, oh, look how cute! Because it is very cute, but like, I didn't notice it was up there for a very long time. Okay. Don't kill me. Whoa. Okay, come here, buds. You guys need... Come here, carrots. Oh wow, I'm already... that fills up so quickly. I'm gonna give you guys something too. Yeah, I think that'll probably be the end of this. I've been going for a little while now. I think it's a good time to take a rest. So, I will see you guys later. Possibly. I have no idea if I'm gonna play this again.